Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I will show you how to apply the color overlay graphical effect in our Qt QML application. Today in this video I will show you how to apply the desaturate graphical effect in our Qt QML application. So first of all, what is the meaning of desaturate? In simple term we can say to reduce the color intensity or the luminance of from your image. Okay, reduce or remove the color intensity or luminance from your image. So let's apply the for desaturate image graphical effect. So first of all, import the Qt graphical effect. Okay, now let's create the item to display the image. So anchor dot center in parent. Also set the width and height property. So width is same as that parent, and height is also same as well as parent. Now let's create the image. Okay, so for id is our source image. Set the source. So I just simply copy this link. Okay, now set the source size, qt dot size. Here pass the parent width height. Now apply the smooth property as a true and default visible properties as a false. Now here apply to desaturate effect. Desaturate. Okay. Now also we have to set the anchor fill property, which one is our source image also, and source is our source image. Okay, here is the one property desaturation. So currently as this desaturation value is value is minimum is 0 and maximum is 1. So 0 to 1, this is the range. So 0 means no change and 1 means completely desaturate. Okay, so let's apply 0.5. There is one more property, sketch as a true to for smooth rendering process. Now let's run the application and check it. Wait for the build. So you can see this is the value currently. Almost 50% image are desaturated. Let me show you the original image first of all. So now set this 0 for no change. Okay, so this is the original image. You can see this is a completely colorful image. Now we apply the desaturation value, so that it will reduce the color intensity or luminance from the image. So let's set 1 means completely desaturated. Now let's run the application. You can see the effect. So you can see it's completely look like a monochrome image, a grayscale image, but it's not a grayscale image. Okay, it's look like a completely monochrome image because it has a 3 channel. Okay, RGB and monochrome has a only one value, which are both 3 pixel value are the same. This is the completely look like a monochrome image. Okay, but not monochrome. Okay, so you can see the almost color is the down and light is gone. So this is the called desaturation, to remove the or reduce the light intensity or color intensity from your image. So this is a 0.4. You can see the effect. Wait for the build and check it. So you can see this is you can see how original image show, and this is a 0.4. So this is a range is 0 to 1, and this is all how desaturate work. Okay, so please drop your comment if you have any questions about desaturate effect, graphical effect, and please like this video and share with this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.